Hello and welcome to the May installment of Creating with Sketches. I am Karen Day. I am the everything behind A Little Kinder here on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. And today we are diving into single page sketch number 5. Now this one was really neat, and you will see the links below for everybody who's playing along with it. I am going to be using some of our photographs from Disney. These are from our 2022 trip at Christmas. One of the things that I noticed when I was digging through my papers was this paper by Hip Kit Club that reminds me very much of the Epcot ball. So we will be using that paper for this layout. We are also going to be modifying the sketch just a little bit by changing the size. The orientation of all of the things will still be in the same places. So on this sketch, there are a lot of layers and layered pieces, and so those will be in the same place as they are on the sketch. So let's start by creating those different layered pieces. I am going to use some of the branding strips for this layout. I felt like that these branding strips from Hip Kit Club were absolutely fantastic with this layout because of the way that the papers are layered. So I am grabbing my paper edger piece, and I'm only going to edge one side of these strips so that they will lay nicely under the one next to it. Because of my pink plaid shirt in these photos and the blues in the decorations there at Epcot, I am sticking with some pinks and blues here along with this bright yellow Epcot-y paper that is our background. So once I get these strips into place, we are going to start placing the photos. I did stay true to the photo placement. My small photo is a square rather than, I believe hers is a 2x3, and I did make mine more of a square. Just a little change there. I am going to double mat this onto this pink plaid paper from Hip Kit Club. I believe this is the December 2023 collection that I am using for this layout. We're going to distress the edges. I really love how this adds texture and dimension. And now we're just going to start going through and looking for the embellishments that we need once we stick this paper down. All right, we're going to get our focal picture glued down. We're going to start adding in some of our embellishments. One of the things that I really liked about this Hip Kit Club was, although it was the December club, it had a very kind of fun, snowy vibe. We had this full sheet of foam stickers that are snowflakes that I thought worked really well with the theming at Epcot around Christmas. In this sketch, I believe there are florals going down this left-hand side of the page, and so instead of using florals, I am changing the theme of my embellishments to be the snowflakes. That is one of the things that I love about these sketches with Allison Davis, is that you can change up some of the things that you use theme-wise. You can change up size-wise, and here is our finished layout. I will have up-close photos for you at the very end of this video, and I want to thank you very much for being with me. Again, check out everybody's down below to see how they use this sketch for this month. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our videos. Until next time, my friends, go make some memories. Bye-bye.